Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm gonna teach you how to crack your back pretzel style. Alright, this is how you do it. You sit on the floor, you place your right leg down, put your left foot over your right knee, like so. Then your right elbow on your left knee, and then you twist. You twist and you push your right elbow against your knee, and you twist until you reach your limit. And once you reach your limit, go beyond your limit by thrusting all the way through, like so. And you should hear a crack. Next, do the other side. Left leg down, right foot over your left knee, left elbow against your right knee, and then twist and push with your left elbow against your right knee, and then twist until you reach your limit, and then once you reach that limit, go beyond your limit by pushing beyond, and you should hear a crack again, like so. Please advise your doctor, physician, chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.